Good morning, good morning, good morning. So, here we go. Today, we're about to go to the beach. But the beach we're going to is located on the other side of the island, which is called Bondabo. If you ever come on the island, it's a must go to. Bondabo is must go to. Alright? So, we're on the way to Bondabo.
Wine in the freezer.
Got that? I did. Fuck.
Why would you do that? Natalie was like, no, it wasn't me.
Oh my god, let me see.
Now we have wine slushy. Oh, that could be good.
Oh,
it could be.
fuck. Alright, so in my defense,
Please tell me.
I put the wine in. Jesus Christ.
Right, why didn't you?
Oh wow, wait a minute. Nope. See, you see how that started?
Why didn't you ask us?
Here we go. So I go, hey Nat, do you like your wine hot or cold? She goes, I like it cold. I go, alright, cool, I'm putting it in the freezer. She was like, great idea.
I didn't.
Oh,
I didn't say great idea.
What did you
But
say?
you're right. I think I heard you say freezer.
Oh my god. Alright, so we put the wine, well, correction, I put the wine. Natalie and I put the wine
Fine, I'll take it.
in the freezer, and
it popped. And we got wine slushy.
so now we have wine slushy. So there you go. Homeowners, if you're watching this, it was this one right here. She did it.
I opened it like, did they eat that one? And I was like, nope, that's definitely wine from our bag.
Damn, man. But it's all good. It's a 1, 2, 3 fix anyway. But it was Natalie's fault. Just to throw that out there, just to make it.
You drink hot wine?
No, I don't drink
So
hot
it's
wine.
my fault you gonna put it in the fridge regardless.
Well, I asked Natalie, yo, I'm gonna put it in the
What's
freezer.
wrong with the fridge? If you're drinking it, right?
That's true. I just wanted to get cold so we can drink it.
But what was wrong with the fridge?
I don't know what's wrong with the fridge, Michaela, but why am I getting screamed at? Why you not screaming at Natalie? She agreed.
It was definitely mostly you.
Damn.
I'll leave it. I'm gonna take that.
You gonna take that L? Thanks God the bottle didn't pop. And then all of a sudden the bottle pops.
Wine is everywhere.
Actually, that's true. You should put it in the sink because if it explodes once it starts to heat up and melt.
Great.
Great, so we lost that wine because if we put that in the sink right now and we don't cover it, we're screwed.
Well, you can't cover it. There's wine coming out of the top. There's no way you can cover it.
So we lost the wine.
All your fault.
Can we bring it with us?
We can bring it with
Bring it with us.
and just start
And have
eating
a
it.
slushy? Yeah, alright, cool. Great idea.
Turn up early.
Great idea, Gino. See? Only did it.
You fucked it up.
No. I did not fuck it up. I did not fuck it up.
Flip flops. Maybe I should put on some flip flops.
You better flip flop around this island, yes.
I was trying to be cute a little.
You alright? Well, you could be cute a little and then switch a little. I don't know.
Okay.
She
Now
said.
back to my original question before I found
Right,
the wine.
I'm
Was
sorry.
it too early for soda? Because I'm thirsty. as fuck.
No, it's not too early for soda.
Okay, because I'm so thirsty.
Actually, can you bring my soda too? Do we have cups?
Gino, where on this island do you get coffee?
She said, where on this island you get coffee? In your house. In your house. Right here in your house. Use 2 coffee pads. Alright. So, time to go to this beach. Disregard the no shirt. I'm currently working on my dad bod, so don't come at me in the comments below. But yeah, I brought some fins so I can do a little bit of snorkeling. I'm gonna edit some videos. They might do some little flapping around in the water. But yeah, we're waiting for Natalie. She's taking forever. We should have been gone already. My dad blowing me up.
I'm making sure the downstairs is.
We have to go pick up Marvin.
All right, and then now we have to go pick up. Well, not now, but yes, now, but always. You get what I'm trying to say. We have to go pick up my bean. I'm just gonna bring this normal ass cup. Oh, they got a shaker and everything in here. Look at this.
I know, dude.
Look at
What do
this.
you do? Let's make margaritas.
What the hell?
We'll make margaritas later.
Niggas can't make none of that, but alright.
Let's make it a little easier for us.
Right.
Alright, yeah, so
You better open the back window.
let's just count how many people's in this car. We got Marvin right there. Marvin, check in. Oh, whoa. We got Michaela. We got Nat. We got DJ right there. And we got Log right here. Alright, well listen. We packed in here like a bunch of sardines. So here, Michaela.
Time for you to talk.
Oh snap. You see how they doing me on my own vlog? Can I talk to the vlog?
Yeah, sure.
How y'all doing, peeps? Let me check my glasses. How you doing? You good?
I'm good.
Alright, good.
Open your window. We need air circulation.
I thought the air conditioner was on.
Nah.
First time in Curaçao. You know what I mean? This is unreleased document. We got Marvin over there. Marvin feeling good. Kayla, lean back on Marvin one time. Lean back. Oh, there we go. Very good. Alright, peeps. I just want to check out the glasses and let y'all know how we defeated Gino and Kayla
Alright.
yesterday and playing dominoes. Right now, where we going right now? Right now, we on our way to... Gino, where you going?
Oh,
there we go. MC Long in the vlog too? MC Long, talk to us. Matter of fact, hold on, wait. MC Long, spit some. Hey, but what did you go get by me?
He broke the radio.
Papá, ¿qué? Tonto no te siente más.
I love a clown car.
Alright guys, so we've made it to one of the beaches that you can like see sea turtles and stuff. Over here you have the lady with the you know, she got her little goods right here. You have my cousin over there, and then you have everybody over here. You got Marvin in the cut. You have Michaela. Nat is here. The girls. Alright, I'm ready to see it. Some turtles.
But I got shark.
There's some nice snorkeling over here. Let's go look to the side. Oh, it's
Yeah, gingerbread man.
it's beautiful already.
I'm gonna die.
Here we go. Oh my goodness. Look at everybody swimming. Let's go on the bridge, huh?
Yeah.
So we can see a lot better. Let's walk this way. Oh, sorry. She lost her slipper. Dushi, pone que tem su taça para mim. Bom, vamos, mami. Let's turn in here. Ooh. Oi. Oh, your flower. You can't drop your flower now. Everybody got their head in the water, searching. You found one? Oh, there's one right there. being the shit. Look at the turtle right there. Big boy. Look how big it is. Mama, halakantun tiki, halakantun tiki. Kabaite dilante, hello. Look how big that turtle is.
This guy is all up on him with the GoPro. Give him space. Two of them.
Oh. No, is the baby going that way? Hey, Mama Bing.
I'm not gonna dive in it. Welcome fish.
So, what do you guys think? This is my first time.
I want to see the turtle.
You saw the turtle.
No, I want to be in the water with the turtle.
Water, I can fly. I'm down in the water. Look,
Oh, by the lady with the black.
What are these long things right here? Those are fish.
Yeah, those are fish too. I don't know.
What kind of fish is that?
Yeah.
Whoa, that looks like a snake to me. That don't look like no fish to me. That look like a snake.
Yeah, those are those.
trumpet fish.
Trumpet, that's trumpet fish.
Oh.
That's trumpet fish. Yeah.
Yeah, there's
Look at the fish, mommy. You see it? Right
Look
here?
at the phone, now it's Coral Creek. Oh, yeah, look.
all along here.
Oh.
Hey. He got one.
Definitely got one.
He definitely got one. I think so. I think so. We'll see it on the replay. Sorry.
Smoothies?
Alright, so we've made it to Canip. If you don't know where that is, well, you're about to find out. It's all the way located in Bandabao, one of the nicest beaches. Again, one of the nicest beaches that we walk over.
Oh my goodness. You can kind of see the water. Wow, it looks beautiful already. Oh my goodness. The water just looks amazing already.
Alright guys, so we're here at Canip. I hope it exceeds the expectations of beautiful beaches. I don't know. We're gonna ask Natalie once we get to the bottom.
Natalie's gonna be famous after this vlog series of Curacao.
I'm pretty sure this is one of the best beaches in the world.
Oh, in the world?
In the world.
Dang.
So, if I'm wrong, be like, maybe not, you know. If I'm right, be like, you know. Blue sea. Alright, so.
It is a blue sea. It's so blue.
Alright, we're just gonna make a nice little quick left over here. Next time.
Dang. Look at that. Any words? Speechless. Ready to swim?
Hey, liking that? Guys, watch your steps. It's very, very, very slippery. Boca, boca, mama. Slow down, Leonis.
If I slip, you will
Yes, I want to drag that.
She said if you slip, would you grab her?
Yep, I got you. We could fall together. Because that's probably what's going to happen.
Yeah, you good?
I'm good.
All right.
We made it.
Oh, God. It's a little hectic, huh?
I brought her donut float.
Yep. She was prepared.
Totally prepared. Oh, I see the little... That's not a bad jump.
That's not a bad jump at all.
That's easier than the other.
This looks amazing.
I mean, so cool.
Just can't get grabbed. All right, so Natalie is trooping up, and she's gonna do the jump off the cliff over there. So let's see it. Oh man, no pressure, Nat. No pressure.
Is that guy you're shooting with helps you? The guy with the durag just helps you because he looks like.
No, he's not.
He's not. Oh shit! I was wondering for 20 minutes. He looks just like him.
We gotta tell you he's not. We gotta tell you he's not, so nobody don't go over there and mess with him.
I believe you, man.
Does he get that a lot?
Hey DJ! Dude just came up to us and said, is my brother Offset?
He looks like him. And he got the Gucci belt.
Cause he looks like him and he got the Gucci belt. That is funny.
I should have said yes.
That's him. Anyway, so this is what it looks like from up here.
Beautiful.
Very beautiful. All right. So I don't know where we enter from. All right, we definitely don't enter from here. I think we enter from this part right here. And then, yeah, let's do what they just did. My man got the GoPro to his chest. Ready to go. I hope he's jumping. You jumping? Alright, so he said he's gonna attempt to jump. See that? See that? There's more people jumping. There you go. This guy looks like he's gonna jump too because he didn't even walk around.
No. You jumping too?
No. I am not jumping. I'm just here for photography, that's all. Alright, so no, I can't jump this.
Why not, man?
Look how deep this thing is. You are crazy. Alright, so Nat, where you at? Oh, I left Natalie all the way back there. Nat, I'm sorry. Alright, so Michaela's over there. Hi, Michaela.
You have to clear the rocks.
Oh.
Okay.
You gotta run. That's good to know.
You gotta clear the rocks. Alright, so where's a good area to... Dushi, stand on the rocks. So you don't...
You gotta clear the rocks.
Alright, so he's gonna do it and we're just gonna follow...
See that? You see like the brown, like the brown color down there?
Yeah.
Clear that.
Clear that.
Clear that and you're good.
Awesome. You hear that?
And if not, will I die?
I will.
Nat, no pressure.
Super pressure.
Jump
No pressure. Primo, bate.
Brown rock down there?
Alright, so you gotta clear the brown rocks.
So out there. Yeah. Exactly.
Listen, if you don't clear the brown rocks, it's over.
See the brown rock down there? I checked that. You can clear that.
Right.
Out there.
This is crazy. I'm not doing it. You out of your mind. Wait, Nat, which one you wanna do? Oh, this one. She's gonna do this one. Big girl. Alright, who's going first?
Can you just show us? No, it's a fly.
Oh, it's a fly. Hey. Nice. Oh my God. Okay. Alright, so he didn't really go that far. I thought, hey. Alright, he didn't really go that far. I was thinking like you have to like go super duper. Right. He landed right there. Hey. How was it?
Are you okay?
Now where you at? The camera.
Oh, you know he's coming back up.
I'm not going down.
Nay, you gotta jump.
No, I'm not going down.
Don't open your eyes underwater.
Nice. All right, Nat.
For the record, you guys.
Okay. Okay.
Zimbabwean.
Okay. Sorry. Okay.
Probably the first Zimbabwean jumping off this place.
Hey! There we go. There we go. Don't worry, we got a lifeguard down there.
Yeah, certified.
Certified.
How much does it cost?
Yay! Zimbabwe! Yes! Zimbabwe! Oh, okay, Natalie. The moment we've all been waiting for. The moment we've all been waiting for. Go big or go home. And don't do it on the rocks then. You just jump out. Jump out. And land straight. Don't bend. Pencil dive. Nat.
Okay, ready?
1.
When you count from 5 down at 1, I'm just gonna go there.
Alright. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Natalie! There we go. Good job, Natalie.
How deep is it there?
I have no idea, and I'm not willing to find out.
We have Gino right here. Gino, you need to jump in.
Boy, oh boy.
Natalie, wait for you.
Jump out.
Don't run. Just,
You know.
Just go to the...
I gotta do it. I think I gotta do it, man. I think I gotta do it. But
Jump down and have fun. That's it.
how was it? The first one? That wasn't your first one. Yeah.
I did it before, but I used to dive and swim.
Oh, well, you don't count.
So was it? Zimbabwe right there.
I haven't done it yet.
Yes, man.
I'm actually contemplating it.
They have no balls. Yes, little boy. Hey, bon Gino. Jump, Gino.
Take my slippers now.
Vamos. Carbon straight.
Alright, count down.
Hey, me manda cansa, bang.
From what? 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, you did it. You're alive.
You gotta clear a board. I hit the floor.
You big. You tall boy.
You did it!
Damn, that was scary as fuck.
Weenie dog. Balloon dog. All right, everyone. We are trying to get this giant float to stay put. Gino's doing such a great job pulling the rope.
Cinta.
This water is salty as hell. My eyes are burning. Whew. It's okay though.
Your turn. Let me get the nose.
Here, grab it. It's recording.
Oh. Oh. Oh, it looks so pretty though when you move back.
Hey, where you going though?
It's recording.
Listen, we did our own shit. You see it. You see it. DJ, where you at?
Right here, boy.
Hey, Michaela.
Right here, boy. Kayla, where you at? With the doggy? Doggy.
You missing out. But we chilling though. We chilling. All right, guys. So just finished up beach day. Now we're getting some smoothies, and then we're going to go back to the house. Sorry. And then we're gonna go back to the house. Oh, I'm trying to get this lighting. Okay, there I am. I got Marvin. Everybody came through. It was super fun. I was definitely scared jumping over that shit, but you know, I did it in 1, 2, 3. We're gonna go back to the house, jump in the pool for a little bit, relax a little bit, and then yeah. Then we're gonna go out. So it's about to be lit. Lit. Anyway, I'll end it right here. So again, it's your boy Prince of Curaçao. Comment, like, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. I got some real bangers coming out. I appreciate you guys watching the vlogs. Fix your eyebrows so I can stop looking at your eyebrows and I can start looking at your eyes. Peace.